Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 3 of parallel lines. It's a construction how to divide a line segment into different parts and all, isn't it? Coming to the 7th question, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter and find a point P on it such that AP is equal to 2 by 3 PB. So, line segment is AB, in between there will be a point P. So, AP is equal to 2 by 3 PB. So, AP is equal to 2 by 3 PB. That means AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. So, only the extra work is you have to convert it in the ratio form. So, AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. Now, how to proceed like the earlier? So, 2 is to 3 means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 parts. Okay? You have to divide into 5 parts, then in between only 2 and 3 that points we have to join. Hope you understood. That's the only extra work. Okay, 5.5. This is a 5.5 0 join. This is A, B, 5.5 centimeter. Now at A, draw an arc, cut that arc, same measurement at B. Draw the arc, cut, now join the point with A, it is AX, this point with the B. Remember, you have to be careful. Your pencil, it should be sharp enough and don't get this two lines. Okay, you have to be careful. Okay, now it is a 2 is to 3 means 2 plus 3 is 5. Small parts you have to make. You have to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always for construction use 2 pencils, one for drawing the lines, one in the compass. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, give the names. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, A4 and A5. Now this is B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay, now the extreme ones with the dotted lines, B with the A5. B5 with the A. Now 2:3. So A2 and B3. It is A2 and B3. This is P. They have told P is the point. So AP is 2/3 of PB. Hope you understood. Only extra work. 2/3 PB means AP is to PB is equal to 2:3. Now the last sum. This is also the same type. So they have told AQ is equal to 2/5 QB. That means AQ. Q is the point in the middle. AQ is to QB is equal to 2:5. So for construction 2:5. How we have to take? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 parts. Okay. So 6 centimeter. A, B. Now 7 equal parts. So draw one arc, cut that. On the other side at B, draw an arc and cut this. Now join the points A and the point A and the point, that is AX. Now B and the point, that is BY. Now 7 parts. So small divisions will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the next one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. Now give the names. It's A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now this is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Okay, now join the extreme B and the last, that is A7 with the dotted lines, and here B7 and A with the dotted lines. Now it is 2:5. This is 2, A2 with the B5. A2 with the B5. the point, it is Q. AQ is to QB is equal to 2:5. AQ is 2/5 of QB. Okay. If they ask you to find out the measurement, then what we have to do? If they ask you to find out the measurement, you find out how. 2/7 into 6. That is 12/7. 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 remains. It is 7s are 49. 1 remains. 1s are means 1.7 centimeter. That is AQ. Now QB is equal to 5/7 into 6. That is 5 6 are 30/7. That is 7 4s are 28. 2 remains. 2s are 14. 14. So 6 remains. It is 8s are, that means 4.3 centimeter. 1.7, 4.3. When you add, it will be 6 centimeter. Understood? So measurement करके भी देखने का है, and this is only the rough work, like is it the same, correct, वो देखने के लिए. समझ में आया है ना? So we have completed the parallel lines lesson. Hope everyone understood the first worksheet, second worksheet and the third worksheet. Third worksheet is only the constructions. Bye. Thank you. All the best.